Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I'm coming to you with another Simon unboxing kit, and this is the limited edition Christmas Botanicals Holiday Tag Kit. And as of me posting this, it is not sold out. But it is limited edition, so if you want it, pick it up as soon as you can. And they do also have some of the pieces in here they are selling individually as well. So if you're not liking all of the things, but you really like the stamp set, or you really like something else in here, then you can purchase that separately. But the kit is an excellent value. I will link everything in the description box. I'll link the kit and also the pieces. I do have affiliate links, and all that means is that if you click on my link and end up making a purchase, I might make a small commission from that at absolutely no charge to you, and I greatly appreciate you shopping through my links and supporting my channel. So let's get into it. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is a really full bag this time. Alright, let's see. I fell in love with the color scheme of this, and you'll see once we open it. I did get the add-on dies, and this is the Christmas Botanical dies, so it does not come with that. So if you want to have dies to cut out the images, you need to order those separately. Let's see what we got. Oh, and this is a kit to make tags for your holiday gifts. And oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, let's see, where do we even... Ooh. Alright. Ooh. We got a lollipop, so that's awesome. Oh, here we go. We have a coupon code, so $5 off your next order. Use code MARY, and this is good through the end of December 2024, so be sure to use the $5 coupon. Alright, let's get... Okay, so this is the stamp that comes with it, the stamp set. This is the new and exclusive Christmas Botanicals 6x8 inch stamp set. And this is a layering set. And they are all labeled, so you know which ones go with each other, which is very awesome. Like here, all the A's, all these go together. B, the pine cones, flower, the holly. There's lots of pines. There's like a layering pine, some leaves, and look at the font on this. I just love that. The Merry Christmas. Do not open until December 25th. To from. Made with love. Oh, this is so good. No peeking. Oh, that's so funny. So this is the add-on to that, so it'll cut out all of the images on here. So you can get that. Let's see what else. I don't think this has the map in here, what I call the map, with all the ingredients. So let me just pull it up on my phone. Let's see. We have the paper. This is one sheet of each design from the Crafter's Companion Winter Forest 6x6 inch paper pack. So just, I love these colors. I love like blues and purples for Christmas and holiday. These are really pretty. Nice snowy scene. Look at that. Oh, it is just gorgeous. Some snowy trees. This is so pretty, this paper. Alright, so you get a lot of pieces of that. Let's see. You get the Holly tag die set. Let's find that. Ooh, that is so cute. What a fun shape. And it comes with the foliage and the flower as well as the tag. That's awesome. I love that. Okay. Then we get the mistletoe and berries. And you could also, because it's really small, you could use it on this tag as well. Oh, that's so cute. Alright, then we have a winter Flurries stencil set. And this is a layering, if you would like. And there's 2 stencils in here. So you could use this one by itself. Trying to find it so you can see better. So you could use this one by itself. You could use this one by itself. But if you put them together, it kind of colors in the, I don't know if you can see it in the light there, but it colors in the centers. So that's fun. Alright, let's see. We get some gift tags. And they have the ribbons with them, or the twine, I mean. And we get some really big tags to decorate. You can use the stencil on here with the holly or the floral. That would be really nice. Alright. Then we have the Aiden snowflake die, and they make, I love on Simon's snowflakes, they make the best snowflakes, but this one is super pretty. And then we have the Tim Holtz Ideology adornments, and these are little wreaths. So these would be fun to add to a project. You could even use them for like holiday decor if you're making like a little, like on a candle holder, like a wrap for it. That would look really cool, I think. We have a package of the silver tinsel from Tim Holtz. This is great to add accents. You could use this as the like the tag ribbon also. We have, oh, these are sticky. Let me see. These are the Simon Wintermas sticky gift tags. Let's see what's going on with this. Ah. They're like Post-its. You can just stick them on your gifts. That's awesome. Very helpful with your time there. Alright, let's see. Then we have the Tim Holtz holiday bells, and these actually do ring. And there's all different shapes. We have teeny beanie ones and a little bit bigger. So this would be fun to add with a ribbon onto your tag to make those extra festive. Let's see, what else? You get a silver Sharpie marker, which is awesome for writing on your tags. And you get a Spectrum Noir black art liner pen. And you get an empty, this is a Tim Holtz tin, And you can use this to, you know, store your tags in until you're ready to use them, or if you're working on the projects and you're cutting things and you just need somewhere to keep them safe until you're ready to go, you could use this. And then we have, ooh, something pretty awesome. Here we have a sheet of Nina Solar White, and this is 110 pound. And then we have this beautiful sheet of Simon Says Stamp Holographic Silver, and this is 100 pound. So if you use that snowflake die on here and then added that to your tag, that would be pretty awesome. So anyway, I'll stop blinding you with that, but that's pretty fabulous. So you get all this good stuff, pins, tin, jingle bells, sticky tags, stencil, a coupon, don't forget, the adornments, the snowflake, so many tags, the stencil, a holly tag, the mistletoe and berries, paper. This is extra, but if you want to cut out this, you should get that too. And then here's the stamp set that goes with that. So a very, very well worth it. The price, it's an excellent value. Simon kits always are, but this comes with so much good stuff. So anyway, if you like it, check it out. And yeah, so anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you could click that button, I would love to have you. Check me out over on Facebook. I post cards, videos, post any crafty sales I come across, so that's a good resource to you. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And until next time, take care.